Hey, Paul here from YouTube channel Older is Optional. Today, we're going to look at a couple of different uses for some lights that I got sent. Well, I got sent some lights by Novasight, and originally they were for the car, which I'm working on right now, but I also need some for the boat, so I'm going to try mounting these lights in a couple of different positions, including the boat and the car, and see how they go. So I've got my lights here that came all packaged up. They look pretty good, I must say. So we're going to put them on. This is the light here. Quite small, but I tested them out last night and they're really good. So I'm going to try them on the car first. How we're going to try them on the car, because I don't have a bull bar yet, is one of these which I got today from AutoPro. Mounts onto the number plate, and then we'll put the lights onto the number plate. So it's just a couple of screws. I put them on, put the lights on, and then we'll go test them out on the car. So these are the lights I've put in, Novasight, the new brand. I mean, they're extraordinary. They're tiny, but the punch they pung out, which we'll have a look in a minute. I got to tell you, to be honest, when they arrived, I thought, oh, I'm not going to put them in my car. You know, that macho proud thing came on, and I thought, no, I want big lights. And so I've come up with another plan where I'm going to put them, on my boat, which I'm going to try that too, just to see what they're like. But they are extraordinary. Have a look, and let's look at this light and the lumens, and I think you'll be impressed as I was. They are just extraordinary. Novasight. And the lights also came with this black protector, and they also came with this orange light protector to convert them into a fog lamp, I guess, if you want to. But we'll have a look at them tonight and see how they go. Okay, so we've got the lights up and working. They work in a treat. I've just got the car going because there's people around. The lights are working really well. Good visibility, good spotlights. Got the lights working. Great visibility. They look neat. They look good. I'm very impressed, and the light beam is quite good as well. Just got to probably just adjust them to get where I want. But you can see that's quite good. So here I am on the beach testing out these new lights, and they're going really well. I'm very pleased with them. These Nova lights put off a great light. They were good in the boat, and they're just as good in the car. Tell me what you think. I think they're great. So we've got the spotties on the boat. Made a massive difference. They're really good, actually. I'm really pleased with them. Gives off a good brightness. About to head off shortly, but gives off good light. Probably just need a slight adjustment, but they're looking really good. Very pleased. They look aesthetically good, and the light out of them is pretty good, actually. Very pleased. For those who are new to our channel, what Lee and I really aim to do with our channel is to do things that restore your soul. So in a social media world where it's so much take and negativity, we want to do things in our channel and do travelling and take you with us to areas where we restore your soul, where we are rather than take away. And part of that means that we go to some of the most beautiful places, but can also be the most treacherous and dangerous treacherous areas. And for that we need good quality equipment. We kind of need the best, because where we go 20, 30 and 50 kilometres offshore in the boat, so we can't afford to be stuck out there. And that's what we loved about these Nova lights, is the quality was there, the quality of how it's made, and the quality of light was excellent. We were really very impressed. We're out on St Bees Island, about 42 k's out from Mackay, North Queensland, and I've got my lights on the boat. The boat's beached, but they're working. Look at my new spotties there, my Nova lights. They were amazing on the trip out at 5 this morning. They worked really well, and I'll give you a view in a minute as it gets a bit darker. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart. Come down the beach to have a look, and we've got a beautiful shot there out of the back of the car, similar to what it would be like in a reversing camera, I guess, or if you wanted to have a light at the back while you were camping. If you look in the background, you'll see the ferry lights. They're not actually ferry lights, they're all ships waiting to pick up their load of coal from the port. This format of how we've got the lights set up would be quite good in the reversing camera or out the back of your truck whilst you're camping. We've done some big trips up to the Northern Territory, 2,000 and 3,000 k's towing the boat, and these lights would have been great for that trip. If you like what you see, I've got a link in my description to where you can purchase some of these lights for yourself. For whatever it's worth, Lynn and I would highly encourage you, if that's what you're looking for. We feel they're a great product and worth getting on board with. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Get louder, get stronger.